Are you looking for a weed killer without all those bad chemicals? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this homemade weed killer. Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we're making a homemade weed killer. My son sent me this recipe and we're going to give it a try. He's got me a little video clip that I'm going to show y'all that it works. He sprayed his weeds around his fence, and within like 30 minutes, he could tell it was already drying them up. By that afternoon, they were totally dead and turned a little brown. So I'm going to make this recipe for y'all today on this homemade weed killer, and we're going to see how it works. Let's get started. Okay, y'all. Now for the homemade weed killer, this is what you're going to need. Some white vinegar, Blue Dawn, and some salt. And I'm pretty sure, yes, before y'all asked in the comments, it has to be Blue Dawn. That's all we use. Okay, now if you're making a gallon for the recipe like he sent me, you use a gallon of vinegar, 1/4 of a cup of Blue Dawn, and 1 cup of salt. Well, today we're going to make it in a quart jar because I'm not going to make quite that much. Okay, we're going to use a quart jar. So I'm going to make it just a little over half full of my white vinegar. Okay, I didn't measure that, but it's a little over half full in a quart jar for this recipe. Because I want to be able to put mine in this old Windex spray bottle. And now for the Blue Dawn, we're going to put around 1/4 of a cup in our quart jar. And I'm just going to pump it right down here till I think that we got around 1/4 of a cup. Now we're going to go ahead and add the same amount of Blue Dawn because it couldn't hurt anything. 5 pumps. Now this right here we get at Sam's. And I saved so much money by buying this big one for around $15. And I just refill my little bottle every time we fill it. Okay, so we've got our white vinegar and 1/4 of a cup of Blue Dawn. And now we're going to measure out. And I'm going to do, instead of a cup of salt, we're going to do 1/4 of a cup of salt for that mason jar. And we're using pink salt. If I had regular white salt, I'd use it just to use it up, but I don't have any. So we just used our pink salt. And I made a mess. Let me get that up. So if you hate using Roundup because all those chemicals, but you do have a lot of weeds you're trying to get rid of, you could try this homemade version of a weed killer. Now we're just going to mix this real good till we get that salt dissolved. Okay, you can see the color it's turning out. I'm going to just let it sit in there for a few minutes also till I make sure all that salt is dissolved before I put it in my bottle. Okay, that looks pretty good. I don't see any more salt. So now we're going to take our homemade weed killer and we're just going to put it in our spray bottle. So this is a lot safer to use around your pets and children, other than using that Roundup. They can get the rest of that in there. I might as well go ahead. I'm afraid I may run out of room, but we'll try it. And like I said, Alan, he made a whole gallon of it. But today we're just making enough. And I done pretty good using a quart jar. If you have these old Windex spray bottles, that quart jar filled this up almost perfect. So now we're going to go spray our weeds, and then later this afternoon, we're going to see if it works. Now that's an easy, simple way to make a homemade weed killer if it works. Let's go see and try it. We're going to spray right here. Let me get it to start coming out. Real good. This little patch and we're going to see by this afternoon what it does to those weeds. Okay, y'all, I hope you like this video on this homemade weed killer. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share our video if you think it'll help somebody. It helps our channel grow. And if you hadn't subscribed already, hit that red button down below. And like always, thanks for watching. Okay, y'all, look. It's only been around 30 minutes. It's not even quite dry yet. And you can already tell the difference between that and where we sprayed. So I believe this is a win-win for a weed killer. What do y'all think? Are you going to give it a try? Comment down below. And right here, you can tell it's already turning like a brown color. Okay, y'all, it's been around an hour and a half, and look at the difference between over here where we didn't spray and right here's where we sprayed. By this afternoon, I believe it'll be totally brown. Let's look at this other spot over here next to the little ceramic pig. Okay. Now the sun is over here, been over here longer. So just look at that grass already. And it hadn't been long at all. So I hope y'all give this weed killer a try.